Hi everybody and happy Thursday. This week we have the district's virtual art show to take a look at. Another killer cooking class is on the way from Chef Hill. I've got the information on turning in your Chromebooks and collecting any personal items that were left at Westy. Plus, we take a look back at last week's Movin On Up Parade to celebrate our seniors. Let's start the show. If you feel the need to get out of the house and enjoy a little cultural experience, then have we got the opportunity for you. The District Art Show is an 18-year tradition in Westminster Public Schools and an important milestone for visual arts students. The art teachers put together a team to find a way to continue celebrating our creative visual arts students virtually. Putting student artwork online makes it accessible to communities far and wide so they can enjoy and appreciate our students' creative skills. While we'll miss the interactions and celebrations of a traditional opening reception, where students bring their families to mingle with their art teachers and talk about their projects, we are so excited to get to share the first ever WPS virtual art show with the public, and for our students to know that they are loved and their artwork is being honored. You can see all the amazing works of art by visiting tinyurl.com/WPS-art-2020. Calling all foodies, Chef Hill will be back in the kitchen this Sunday, May 17th at noon, to show you how to make crepes. Chef Hill will show you a variety of tasty fillings to go inside, so shoot him an email at chill@mywps.org for the ingredient shopping list and the Zoom invitation. As the year comes to an end, we need to collect all the Chromebooks, hotspots, textbooks, athletic uniforms, and other school property from our students. Plus, you may have left some of your personal belongings at school that you would like to have back now. We'll conduct a curbside pickup and drop-off process that will take place in the circle in front of the building. On Tuesday, May 26th, we welcome our 9th grade students from noon to 6 p.m. On Wednesday, May 27th, 10th grade students can come by between noon and 6. And on Thursday, May 28th, our juniors can swing by anytime between 12 and 6 p.m. Please keep in mind that there will not be any student or parent access to the building, and this will be your only opportunity to pick up your items. If you have multiple students in different grades that attend Westy, please choose one of these dates and we'll take care of the entire family on that day. If you need help with college orientation, financial aid, or finding work this summer, the Future Center is here for you. You can make an appointment Monday through Thursday from 7 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. with the amazing Future Center staff. Give them a call at 303-657-3929 or send an email to futurecenter@westminsterpublicschools.org to schedule a time to get the assistance you need. Finally, we know that everything has felt up in the air and wonky for all of you. Trust me when I say we have felt the exact same way. Last week, we had a chance to have a bit of normalcy restored with our mobile Movin On Up Parade. Teachers and staff met up at Westy to decorate our cars and group up to roll out to see our graduating seniors, families, and students. Divided into 3 separate groups, we were able to cover the entirety of the Westy family. Laughter and tears were shared as the parade wound its way through the neighborhood streets to honk, wave, and cheer for our seniors and their graduation. I'll wrap up this week's show with some of the hundreds of pictures and videos we took of this incredible celebration of success. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Chris Williams. I hope you enjoy. We'll see you next week.
Friends, we are celebrating our 2020 class, our seniors. We can't do our Moving Up assembly like we usually do, so we are going to take it to the neighborhoods. All of the Westminster High School staff are here. We're expecting 150 cars. It's going to be awesome!
Here we go now.